PrizePicks deposit not working, how to solve PrizePicks deposit problem. So if you want to solve the deposit problem on PrizePicks, you want to first of all, let us look at the help page as to why you're having this issue. Now it could be because first of all, the payment method could already be associated with another account. Because PrizePicks will not accept any deposits in which the card is connected to another account. Now deposits associated with another account will be rejected and the funds will be returned to your bank account once they go unclaimed, and the time frame to reclaim funds varies for each bank. The other reason could be because the name on your deposit method, which is your payment method, does not match the name on your account. That could also be the reason. And another reason could also be maybe you're trying to deposit too much or too little. So once you've made sure that none of these three are the reasons, try to redeposit your funds using a proper payment method and make sure you're in an eligible state, and after that your deposit should work 100%. So I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon as always in the next video.